Hi and welcome to another product demo from fodfix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our Ford Focus bladed key programmer, and we're going to be programming keys to this 66 plate Ford Focus. The vehicle's currently got two keys programmed to it, a standard fixed blade key and a remote key which operates the central locking. I'll just show you that. There we go. And we're going to be adding this remote key which doesn't operate either the central locking, and if we pop it in the ignition, immobiliser active shows us that it's not a programmed key. Now, it's a standard FodFix programmer. The dip switches to select the mode, a little LED and a sounder inside to let you know what's going on. And what we'll do is, first things first, we'll locate the OBD socket on these focuses, and it's behind this panel, just to the near your right knee. Pull the panel down, and then if you squeeze the panel gently by the sides, it'll drop down further and expose the OBD port. Now, all operations for the Ford Focus programmer need to be done with the ignition off. And what we'll do is we'll set all the dips down, which set this into check key mode, and we'll just plug it in and wait for some beeps, and it will beep and flash green the number of times or the number of keys that are programmed to the vehicle. And that's 2 there to show us those 2 keys that are programmed. What we'll do is we'll set this into add key mode, and add key mode is to set switch 4 on. We'll take the key we want to program and place it in the ignition, but not turn the ignition on. Now when we insert the programmer, we'll get the start-up beeps, and we'll get an extra blue beep. There we go, to show us that we're in key add mode. And the unit will flash, try and get it, I don't know if you can really see that, it's a greeny yellow colour as it communicates with the vehicle's ECU to enter programming mode. It takes about 45 to 60 seconds. You'll get quite a flurry of activity, and then there'll be a sort of short waiting period as it blinks, maybe once a second, waiting to log into the vehicle. And what we're waiting for is a long beep, a long high beep, and a blue flash, and that's to signify that we need to turn the ignition on with the key that we need to program. So I'll just we'll try and keep focused on that one. Get out of the glare of the sun. There we go. Turn the ignition on. And there's a slight high chirp. 1, 2, 3 beeps and green beeps to indicate we've got 3 keys programmed now. I don't know if you heard, there was a slight chirp from the dashboard which signifies the keys programmed correctly. So if we take the key out, works the remote, and pop it into the ignition, pop the clutch down, starts the vehicle. There we go. Hope you like that one. See you soon.